Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I brought to you guys this very cute Valentine's Day look. You guys, this is so simple, so easy, and I really love the way that this turned out. You guys see my cute little heart right there? I went ahead on Pinterest and looked at some makeup inspiration, and I got some inspo from Pinterest, and I decided to recreate a couple of looks. And this is pretty much what I came up with, and I feel like it really turned out nice. The white eyeliner adds a pop to your eyes, and then being that we still added some black eyeliner in the waterline, it brings everything together. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this very nice Valentine's Day look, very easy for my beginners, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, pause this video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also comment down below and check the description box for all the products that I used throughout this video. So without further ado, if you guys are interested in seeing how we came up with this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start with priming our eyelids, and we're going to be using concealer to do this. Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. Just prop this right on your eye. Fluffy blending brush, and we're just going to pat this in our skin. Our eyes today, we're going to be doing something very simple and not really dramatic, but still looks like we made an effort. So for our eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Juvias Place palette Masquerade Mini, and go into the shade Nana. So Nana is like our transition shade, and we're going to just use this color and blend it in back and forth circular motions right in our crease. Okay, so we have our transition shade on. We're gonna go in with a bit more darker orange, and we're gonna pop this in our crease. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with a pink shade called Kogi. And we're just going to pat this pink right on the lid. We're going to go back into that deeper orange shade, and we're going to blend the two colors together. Okay, so now that we have our eyes all pink and nice and just out there, we're going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer. And we're going to take this on a concealer brush, and we're just going to apply a small amount of this over our lid space. And we're going to go in with our NYX Glitter Brilliant in the shade 02. And we're going to take some of this glitter and apply it right in the same spot. So to give this look a bit more pop, we're going to go in with the NYX White Liner. And for those of you who don't want to do this, you definitely do not have to. You can just pop your lashes on, do your full face, and you're good to go. But we're going to add some liner. Okay, so we applied our liner. I'm just going to go ahead with my makeup wipe, and we're going to wipe away any glitter. And we're also going to clean off our lashes. Okay, so I'm taking the NYX First Base Primer, and then going in with the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the Blur and Illuminate. You guys know that I love my illuminator. So what's next? What's next? Hey. So next I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup foundation. This is in the shade Tan. And if you guys have not seen my Milk Makeup video, then go ahead and check that out. I had tried out a whole bunch of new products from them, and I think it turned out pretty well. So if you guys are interested in buying any Milk Makeup products, then go ahead and check that video out. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Concealer in the shade Medium Dark Warm. And we're gonna apply this on our highlight areas, which is right underneath our eyes, on the bridge of our nose, our cupid's bow, our chin, and our forehead. And we're just gonna let underneath our eyes sit for a little bit, and we're gonna go in with cream contour. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Espresso. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out underneath our eyes now. And then we're just gonna go ahead and blend out our contour. Now to set our face, I'm going in with the Milk Makeup setting powder. Okay, so one thing you guys know about me is that I don't like to bake, but that is something that I recently just started doing again. I started baking, and it's a different technique that I do now, so you guys are about to see that. So what I like to do is, if I could find it, what I like to do is set my face with one powder and actually bake with another powder. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder. This is in the shade Medium. And I like to take this on my damp beauty sponge, and we're just gonna press this in our skin. And also just go underneath our contour. So while all of that is baking, we're gonna jump back to our eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. And then going back into our eyeshadow palette, we're gonna take the pink shade and that darker orange shade and just smoke out our bottom lash line. And then going in with the orange shade. Now that we have our eyes pretty much finished off, we're gonna go ahead and dust away this powder. So I like to go in with a powder that is my shade and just dust away on top of that. So I'm just dipping into the powder, flashing the excess off, and then just gonna wipe away. Our powder is off, and now we're just gonna go ahead and finish adding contour and structure to our face. So for contour today, I'm using the Black Radiance Contour Palette. Ooh, y'all nose is snatched. Going in with the Milani Big Bronzer in the shade Leo. And for blush, I'm gonna dip into this one. Blush. Don't forget to smile when you apply your blush. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Fix. For my bottom lashes, I'm going in with the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. We're gonna go ahead and just put this on. So for brows, we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. And I just wanted to add like a little touch, so I'm gonna go in with the same white eyeliner, and we're just gonna draw a heart. Okay, that is so cute. Deepening up our beauty marks. Alright, so to finish up this look, we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Glow Kit, and we're just gonna highlights. To finish up, we're gonna go in with the Mario Badescu, and we're gonna set our whole face in. So while our face is drying, you guys know we're gonna go nude today with the lips. And I'm using the NYX lip pencil in the shade Sandstorm. It's like a soft pink, so you may or may not see this. We're gonna top it off with the Maybelline, and to top that off, we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Universal Lip Gloss. Alrighty, love, so that completes this video for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. And before we go, today's motivational quote is, your faith can move your problems. Don't give up. They are about to break. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.